Hello and welcome back to Modwen Homes' YouTube channel. Today I'll be showing you around our 3-bed Houghton home, which is great for first-time buyers. So let's take a look inside. As we enter the property, we're greeted by a lounge area, which is a really great space for relaxing and unwinding after a long day. It also feels really bright and spacious in here, which is thanks to the large window you can see at the front of the property. This room also benefits from some handy hidden storage, which is tucked away in the corner over there. This is great for keeping things tidy and your home clutter-free. Next we have our open plan kitchen diner. This is a great example of a sociable space because you can cook a meal for your guests whilst ensuring to entertain them. And also, we have the addition of the French patio doors, which really help make the space feel bright and airy, and in the summer months you can open them out to really let the outside in. As you can see, when it comes to the style of our kitchen, we've opted for white worktops and white cabinetry to complement the rest of the interior design in this room. But if that's not up to your taste, change it up through our range of options and upgrade products. What's also great about this kitchen is there's plenty of cupboard space, as you can see here. This really helps keep your kitchen clean and tidy. As we move through the kitchen, we step into the laundry room. This is really handy for keeping your laundry separate from the rest of your home. And also you can see we've got a side door attached to the utility, which is great for stopping any muddy feet or paws coming through the rest of your home. And finally we have our WC, which is really useful for spending time downstairs or having guests over. As you come up the stairs, we head into our main bedroom. This benefits from a statement floor-to-ceiling window, which promotes natural light throughout the room. It also includes a built-in wardrobe and a hidden storage space, which probably means you don't need to worry about any other furniture in this room. And my favourite part of this room is the handy ensuite, which is great for that extra bit of privacy. Next we have our separate bathroom. This can be used by the rest of the family. And as you can see, we've gone for white tiling, but you could choose whatever style of tiling suits you. Now we move into the second bedroom. We've decided to design this as a guest bedroom, and we've included 2 bedside tables along with a wardrobe, but you can incorporate whatever furniture you'd like. And finally, we have the last room in this home. As you can see, we've designed this room as a study, but you can be flexible and adapt it to however you like. Thanks for watching our house tour of our 3-bed Houghton home. To find out any information about our available homes, check out the link in our description below.